Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Tab latest leaks. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Samsung's foldable business has hit its stride with the excellent Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Z Flip handsets. Next, Samsung will turn its attention to the tablet market with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Tab. And Samsung has certainly been mulling over the options, with no fewer than 3 different designs for a foldable tablet. According to Gizmo China, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Tab will launch in Q1 2022, which covers the period from January to March. The site suggests that we'll learn more about the device in August, when it predicts that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be unveiled, so perhaps we'll have a Samsung Unpacked event dedicated to foldable. On the other hand, traditionally, Samsung's flagship tablets have been cheaper than its non-folding phones, in part because cellular connectivity is optional. The Galaxy Tab S7 started life at $649, compared to the Samsung Galaxy S21 $799. What the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Tab will end up looking like is an intriguing question, with 3 possible designs floating around. 2 of these come directly from Samsung patents, and it's possible that more than one could come to market, in the same way that the company currently has 2 foldable phones. The most interesting design is a tri-folding design, where the tablet folds twice over like this prototype from TCL. The advantage here is how small and portable the tablet could get. Even if it may prove too thick to be pocketable, then there's a simpler design which hopefully would command a lower starting price. This design, based off a Samsung patent spotted by Let's Go Digital, is a more basic clamshell where the tablet opens and closes like a book, kind of like a larger Galaxy Z Flip or a Galaxy Z Fold 2 without the external screen. Finally, there's another design with multiple hinges, once again uncovered in Samsung's own patents. Here the screen unfolds in 2 places to expand to its full size as mocked up by Let's Go Digital. To be honest, it's hard to see how this would be preferable to the clamshell option given the added cost of an additional hinge. This, according to the patent, could fold inwards or outwards. Inwards seems sensible, given it would offer some protection to the delicate screen. Outwards makes less sense to us, but the patent suggests it could provide a place to store a bundled S Pen. To date, hard specifications for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Tab have been tricky to come by, but given the 2022 release date, it seems likely that the tablet will be powered by whatever follows Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888. A bundled S Pen has been tipped by Gizmo China, as has enhanced ultra-thin glass to bolster durability against pokes and prods from the stylus. That would make sense, given an S Pen has been included with all recent Galaxy Tabs, and the future of the Galaxy Note is very much up in the air. While it's hard not to be impressed by the technology behind a foldable tablet, the success of the Galaxy Z Fold Tab depends on 2 things: how people use their tablets and price. The advantage of a folding tablet is doubtless portability, but if people only use their tablets around the house, then this is less of a factor, especially if the ability to fold reduces lifespan. For commuters who take their tablet everywhere, the ability to make it smaller, particularly if folding prevents the screen from scratches, is a clear advantage. But for those buyers, the price will likely be the deciding factor. If, as seems likely, the Galaxy Z Fold Tab clears the 4-figure mark, it'll become a tough sell when the Galaxy Z Fold 2 offers both a tablet and phone in one for $1,999. However, it's still early days for the Galaxy Z Fold Tab, and Samsung may have a whole host of killer features to reveal. That is all the latest news we have heard about the Galaxy Z Fold Tab, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.